Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm actually partnering up with Oden's to chat about their upcoming Easter mystery box sale / 4th year brand anniversary. I've worked with Oden's so many times now at this point. They are one of my absolute favorite brands. I'm so excited that they are partnering with me on this video. I'm excited to chat about what's going on with you. I can't believe they've been around for 4 years now. What a cool accomplishment. I'm very proud of them, and I feel like they have just exploded. I feel like they've definitely boomed over the last few years, and I'm really excited to see where they continue going. In case you don't know Oden's, they are a Swedish indie brand, and again, they are one of my favorites. They come out with such cool stuff. They have amazing concepts, beautiful packaging, beautiful formulas. They have quite a variety of products, and I absolutely love them. I highly recommend checking them out if you haven't already. Basically, during this event, they are going to be having multiple different types of mystery boxes for sale where you can get a bunch of products at a discounted rate, and it is super exciting. I got one as well, and I will be unboxing everything with you later on in the video to help create this look. Actually, let's play a little game real quick. Let's see how well you know the brand. What products do you think I could have possibly drawn out of my mystery box today to help create this look? Leave your guesses down below. No cheating. The event is gonna last from April 17th to April 20th, so it's just limited to a 3-day period, so jump on it if you are interested. This is great, especially if you haven't tried many products from the brand. The event is beginning on Sunday, April 17th at 6 p.m. Swedish time, which is the same as 12 o'clock noon EST, and it is ending on Wednesday, April 20th, 6 p.m. Swedish time, or again, 12 p.m. EST. I will have all of the event details down below, when it's happening, the time zones, the prices of everything, all of that will be listed if you need to just see it all again for nice and easy access. Literally anything on their website could be in your box aside from the new Hela palette in collaboration with Angelica. All of the mystery boxes are also free shipping, and you can stack an affiliate code on top of the box. I do have a code, battybean will save you an additional 10% on your mystery box, so you're already getting a discounted rate and you'll get it even cheaper. There are 2 regular boxes, first being the $45 box. It will contain no less than 4 products, and it will have a value of at least $90. And the second box will be a $75 box. It will have no less than 8 products with a total value of no less than $170. And again, you can stack my affiliate code on top of it to save an additional 10% on both of those prices with free shipping. And there is also a Hela themed box, which is where if you pay for the price of the palette itself, which is $43.90, you will get the Hela palette, a randomly selected lip product, and you will get either a compact mirror or the Freya Rune brush cleaning box. It is such a good deal. If you don't already have the Hela palette, this is such a good one to jump on if you are interested, because not only will you get the palette at the same price you normally do, you will also be getting 2 extra products on top of that, which makes the value at least $64, so you are already getting a good deal. The Hela theme box is also free shipping. However, codes cannot be applied to the Hela box because it is a collaboration. But again, if you're shopping for anything else on the site, you can stack an affiliate code on top of that. All right, I think I've said it all. Thank you again so much, Oden's for partnering with me on this video. I'm super excited about this Easter mystery box sale and celebrating the brand's 4th anniversary. I think that's amazing. I'm really excited about this. But now, without further ado, let's just hop in and actually unbox my mystery box and play with the products and create the look that you see right here. Okay, hi, how is it going? Let's unbox this little mystery box, shall we? I mean, I actually did already open mine because I wanted to know what I got so I could know what part of my makeup routine to do. And I also wanted to swap out like my own personal already opened ones so that I wasn't opening brand new things and I can donate those or give them to friends. So yeah, I've technically already peeked, but we're still gonna unbox it because that'll be fun. Look how cute this box is. It's got little Easter bunny ears. That's adorable. And here is the box with my little goodies in it. Mine is the smaller mystery box, so I got 4 items. First is the Mesmerizer highlight in the shade Veil of Future. I love these highlights. They are so pretty and luxurious, and I love them. So really excited to use that one. I actually haven't used it in a hot minute. Next are 2 eyeshadow palettes. First being the Alva. You can tell it's dingy and very used. I love this palette, and I actually also haven't used this one in a little while, so I'm really excited to play with it. The shimmers in here are absolutely lovely. I also got the Mini Ocean palette. It looks like this, little pops of color. Super, super pretty. The split pan shimmers right here are gorgeous. And last but not least is my lip product. It is the Velvet Lipstick in the shade Red Cherry. So Very cute, very lovely, very excited. I think I actually want to kind of do not a neutral look, but a little bit more of like a toned down look. Like I don't want to smear bright blue all over my eyes because I don't know, I just feel like I want the red lip to have its moment. So I think I'm gonna play with more of the mauves, the yellows, the browns with that, if that makes sense. But we'll get into that. First, I'm going to apply the highlights. It is such a beautiful highlight and I'm quite excited. Just gonna highlight the nose and smear it all over my little cheekbones. It's such a pretty kind of gold with a slight pinky undertone. It is beautiful. I hope you are having a lovely day today, by the way. Oh, look how gorgeous, gorgeous, cute. Okay, moving on to the eyes. I'm just going to get my eyes primed. You can prime with whatever eyeshadow primer you prefer if you are following along. Just gonna blend this out. I just got my nails done and I'm actually really vibing with kind of the short coffin, light pink. I have no clue what the color is because it was at the nail salon, but a little different for me. I don't usually go with this. I feel all cute. Okay, so I think I want to start with Morning Glory from the Alva palette. I'm going to use all Oden's Eye brushes today. This is the FR2 blending brush. I'm just going to start with that. I'm just going to plop it right there in the outer corner and start dragging it through the front of the crease. Oden's Eye's mattes are so easy to work with. So blendable. The color's really cute. Next, I want to take Daisy right there. Super cute yellow. I'm going to take the FR1 blending brush, again from Oden's Eye. I just thought like maybe blending it out with the yellow would add a really cute kind of glow to it. Just a little bit of a halo-y brightness. It kind of reminds me of the fact, do you remember as kids, you would pick up those little teeny tiny yellow flowers out of the grass and you would like hold it up to your chin and it would like kind of radiate yellow on your chin? Maybe that was just me, but kids did that around me. And that's kind of what this reminds me of because it gives just kind of a little kiss of a yellow glow going on. And it's very cute. Just something fun and springy. I love yellow eyeshadow. It will forever and always be one of my favorite colors to play with. I'm liking this combination. It's just warm and pretty and springy. And I'm doing a little bit more of a cool toned lilac-y lid, so I think that'll offset it really nicely. And a really cute contrast. So now I'm gonna dip into the Mini Ocean palette and I wanna take Golden Sand, this beautiful shimmer brown. It's a really rich, almost coffee kind of color. It's lovely. I'm gonna use this pencil brush. It's an FR6 and it has a cat hair on it. Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna take that and basically just kind of pop it in the outer corner just to add a little bit of depth, a little bit of extra shimmer going on. I'm just kind of smudging this in the lower lash line and outer corner, just to start building up some depth and dimension. And then I'll use my first fluffy brush just to help buff it out, no additional product. So for the lid, I wanna take the shade Lilac. It is absolutely stunning. For that, I'm gonna be using this FR4 brush, just a dense little packing brush. I'm first just gonna grab a little bloop of glitter glue so I can pack it all over the lid just so the shimmer can pop as much as possible. I use a glitter glue with every shimmer ever. I'm not really going for anything cut creasy today. I mostly just want just a blown out shimmery moment. So I'm just gonna dip that same sticky brush into Lilac. Look how pretty, such a gorgeous shimmer. I just want that smeared all over. It's so glitzy and magical. They do such a beautiful job with their shimmers, and really their newer palettes are just even better, but even their older palettes, like just look how beautiful that is. They have been killing it for such a long time. I'm going to just smudge at the edge of that with a fluffy brush. Beautiful. This is gonna look really cute with the red lip too, because I knew I still wanted to play with some color. I didn't want it to be totally neutral. I just wanted it to be a little bit more tame, you know? I don't do tame very often. And then for the inner corner, I think Jellyfish from the split pan part of the Ocean palette will be very cute. I'm actually just gonna use the Oden's Eye brush cleaner just to clean all the brown off of that pencil brush from before. I use this thing all the time. I'm just going to plop that sparkly magic in the inner corner. Such a wet looking shadow. I love the split pans. They're so cute. And that about does it for this look. What I'm gonna do now is just finish it up off camera. I'm gonna throw on some lashes, probably just like a neutral eye pencil, nothing too crazy. Maybe something kind of twinkly as well. Throw on my lashes, I'll throw on that red lip, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, here's my look complete. I think it's so pretty, very just kind of classic, but fun and playful still. I really like the way this red lip complements the warmth that's going on in my crease. This is a really pretty shade of red because I feel like it's a pretty true red, but it does lean just the tingiest of warmth. Not orangey, I just feel like it inches that warm direction while still remaining a fairly true red. I love this look. I think it's really pretty. I think it's fun. I feel cute. I had fun playing with these products, kind of unboxing a little mystery with you. I thought it was fun. I would love to hear your thoughts on this look, the products that I used today. Let's chat down below. And let's just go ahead and zoom out and finish up this video. All right, so that's it for my video. I hope you enjoy my look. I had a lot of fun playing with these products. Again, some of them I haven't touched in a little while, so it was really nice to revisit them and play with them. Again, a huge thank you to Oden's Eye for sponsoring this video and working with me. I absolutely adore this brand and I'm super excited about their event. Again, a reminder that their Easter Mystery Box event sale is going from April 17th through April 20th. I will have all of the time zones and dates and details about the prices of the boxes listed down below for you. And don't forget, you can use my affiliate code battybean when shopping on their site for anything except for the Hela palette and the Hela Mystery Box. I would love to hear all of your thoughts. What are your favorite things that you've tried from Oden's Eye? If you haven't tried them before, what do you have your eye on? Let's chat down below. If you made it to the end of this video, let's keep with the mystery theme. Just randomly scroll through and throw on 3 emojis. Let's make it a mystery. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.